Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to make audio public in Roblox. Well, to do that, in your desktop version of Roblox, go to the official website of Roblox. Then in here, log in to your account. After you log into your account, click Create. Then in here, click Creations. In the Development Items tab, click on it. Click Audio. Scroll down and click Upload Asset. Choose an audio in the Asset Type option, then click Upload. Then select your audio file and upload the file. Click three dots icon on the audio file, then click Open Asset Details. Click three dots icon again and choose Configure Assets. Choose option Public if you have permission to choose it. Publicly shared audio allows for collaboration efforts among developers. Others can easily incorporate your audio into their games or projects, facilitating a shared pool of resources within the Roblox community. By contributing your audio publicly, you become a part of a larger Roblox creative community. Your work may be discovered and appreciated by fellow developers, potentially leading to a collaboration, feedback, and recognition. Publicly shared audio has the potential to gain more exposure. If other developers find your work valuable, it might be featured in various games, earning your recognition within the community. Publicly shared audio contributes to the diversity of available content on Roblox. This benefits developers looking for a wide range of sound to enhance their games, fostering a richer and more dynamic environment. Making your audio public allows others to learn from your creation. It can serve as a source of inspiration for newer developers, showcasing different approaches to audio design and implementation. And that's how to make audio public in Roblox. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.